coffee lovers or people who are just kind of getting into coffee and are realizing that they kind of like it, I want to talk to you about grind size. And come on, we're staying on topic here. Some grinders like this one, you'll see there's a bunch of different settings on here. Percolator to espresso. Now, also you'll notice with a grinder like this, there's lines here that match the inside. Why do we have those? So the reason we have that, one, is so the grind is consistent through the entire batch and it knows how long to spin for. But also, if you noticed, they get smaller more towards espresso. And if you're using like a manual grinder, you're gonna see the same thing. This, you turn it to grind it more fine or more coarse. Now, the more coarse stuff is great if you're gonna do a pot of coffee because it's bigger chunks, there's more water sitting on it, it's seeping through. With something like the Keurig, where you have the tiny little mesh, when you grind your own beans, and same with the espresso, you want smaller, finer grit. That way it actually gets pressed through. Have you ever seen the espresso machines that grind for a long time and you look at it and they use tiny little fork twist things and it's so tiny and fine? It's so all that short amount of water gets through and pressed through the machine as fast as possible to just capture that pure coffee liquid sunshine. So if you're gonna make a batch of coffee, pay attention to your grind size, how it tastes, and how much mud you have in the bottom. Because if you do it on a fine grind and you put it in your coffee pot, you might end up with a lot of sediment on the bottom of that pot of coffee. Or if you put it in your Keurig with the bigger one or your espresso machine, you might find that it burps and gets mad and it takes a long time for all that water to drip out. So please pay attention to your grind size and maybe experiment a little to figure out what grind size and flavor is right for you. Hope this helps.